welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Deneatres, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's up after come at your baby. This unit is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. This unit right here is going to absolutely amaze you. So if you are interested in seeing just how extremely easy she was to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and the coupon code. What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So y'all, we're about to get into this goodness right here. I am excited because this is a 7x6 and we're gonna be able to wear this Glueless, honey. So let's go ahead and do so. It feels really good. Feels very comfortable. I'm liking it. I am liking it. So let's brush this.
Braided, or am I faded? You shine so bright. It's
I'm brushing it back some to get it out of the front so we can cut this lace. That lace, honey, yes. I'm gonna go ahead and clip the sides.
take me back, baby.
And this unit does fit ear to ear. I did tighten the band up so it could be more secure to my head, and it feels amazing. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see, can I clip this back so we can cut this lace?
It's in the night when I think out.
Now that the hair is clipped, we are going to get into this lace, honey. But first, I'm gonna put some wax on the front because I still got some flyaways. So let me put some wax in. I'll be right back. Got my wax stick. Make sure y'all can see it. I got this off Amazon, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put it on the front part just to get the little flyaways out the hair out the way. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace.
So patient, oh, I kept you waiting, baby. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby.
Take your time cutting this lace, honey, because baby, this lace is so transparent. I could barely see what I was cutting. But this is the hairline. Don't this look so realistic? Oh, this looks like coming out of my scalp, baby. Okay, so next we're going to lay this lace down. And what I want to use, y'all should already know, my Nairobi. We're just going to put it on the lace and melt it down while we touch up the hair.
Hindsight is 2020.
Alright, now that the lace is melting, we're gonna get into this hair. Take these clips off, and the hair looks amazing coming right out of the box. We just need to bump in a little bit because of course it's been traveling in a box, so we're just gonna give it a little bump up, not too much, because she looks good. Like, look at that. Now the flyaways are there. I don't know if y'all can see on the camera, but they not like a whole lot of flyaways. So I'm just gonna put some wax on the top, and look at that, good to go. No more flyaways. We are just going to brush it out, and we're going to use my flat iron just to give it a bump, and we'll be absolutely done with this unit. Quick, simple, and easy. That's my type of wig.
You look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder.
Alright, and that's it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, honey. Silky gorgeousness right here. Okay, so I had to wrap on for a few minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off.
Close, my baby. Might let you take me back.
Beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at it. This looks like, this looks so good. This is what I'm talking about. Quick and simple. Like, look at it. Ooh, honey, yes. This is amazing. Silky beautifulness right here, y'all. This is great, and it's a great little summer wig. Like, honey, you cannot go wrong with a bob, honey. She is the perfect length, and this is one truly a beginner friendly throw on and go type of unit. You ain't got to worry about nothing but just throw on and go, honey. And the best part, it is Glueless, baby. Bam. So let me show you the bag.
Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me oh.
She is the most easiest and simplest wig I have ever put on. Like, and she looks so natural. Absolutely amazing. This will be my go-to for the remaining of the year. Honey, she is most definitely a keeper. So natural. Like, look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Oh my god. Amazing. She is absolutely a part of my wig rotation. Honey, you just can't go wrong with her. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo, a Luv Me Hair bonnet, a Luv Me Hair silk wrap, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is Luv Me Hair Pardon Max Glueless Silky Blunt Bob Cut 7x6 Closure HD Lace Wig with the breathable cap. I am wearing this unit in natural black in the default of the middle part, but you're also able to get this in the natural black left seat part, and you are able to get it in a honey blonde default middle part or a honey blonde left seat part as well. I am wearing this in the length 10 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 12 inches as well. This unit is 150%, and the lace, baby, is HD lace. Honey, it's amazing how this lace looks. It just melts right into my skin with no problem, with ease. The lace area is 7x6, and you do have the option to get this lace pre-cut at an additional cost. The hair type is a silky straight that is 100% human hair. This unit also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the bag. You also will get an attached adjustable band with a silicone grip base to help give you that glueless effect without the worry of it sliding off your head. It's extremely comfortable and you are able to shake it however you like. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. And to make the cap even better, it is a breathable cap, so you are able to have airflow on your head and scratch it if you need to. I am not getting no shedding on this unit, and you have multiple options with this pardon space, because with the 7x6 you are able to do a middle part, of course, but you're also able to do a left or right or do a C part as well. This unit is extremely beginner friendly, especially if you get the pre-cut option. All you have to do is just take it out the box, put it on, brush it out, and you are good to go. This unit is glueless, baby. Honey, look at this. Oh, look at that. Y'all see that? Absolutely amazing. This is a great unit to have because you have the pre-bleach and pre-plucked feature with the option to get it pre-cut. It makes this wig the #1 choice for new wig wearers or anyone who wants that natural and fabulous look without the stress of plucking and cutting and bleaching the lace. They did everything for you, so it is stress free without jeopardizing quality. This unit also can be dyed, but it's not recommended. But if you choose to, you do have the option to do so. This unit can be worn 2 years or more depending on how you care for it. Overall, this is a great unit to have for beginners, for advanced wearers. This is a great unit to have. It's a classic bob. You cannot go wrong with a classic bob. It's a wig that you want to put on without having to think about how your hair is going to look, because it is simple, it's chic, it's sleek, it's to the point, and it is fabulous. I have no cons with this unit because to me it is absolutely perfect. They thought of everything when it came to this unit. I want to show y'all how far back this parting goes. Y'all see that? It goes back 6 inches and across 7. Okay, so the options are amazing. Okay, you will be able to do any part that you want, and you could do a possible little updo as well. You will get the frontal look without the hassle. With 150% density, you are able to get this very full, but it's lightweight at the same time. It is very flowy, honey. Luv Me Hair thought of everything with this unit to make it extremely easy for everyone. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this gorgeous unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a huge discount code below. You will actually save 32% off, baby. So this unit is already affordable. So you will save even more with the discount below. So make sure you check out the description box for all the details. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, you stay blessed and bougie. Bye!